What the hell?
Yeah, how to use this.
What's good? We're back at it again with another vlog. We got a boy Christian here, we got a boy Alex here. We're gonna be doing an exhaust install on his Q60. What kind of exhaust is this?
It's the ones that go in cars.
Nice.
So, yeah.
Anyways, this guy bought a Infinity Sport exhaust or whatever, yeah? Helmholtz exhaust. We'll be installing this, but we're also gonna be starting a car without the mufflers. It's gonna be a little sick. This guy is finally learning how to start working on cars. He's gonna do his own oil changes. You're good, keep going. He's gonna do all his maintenance himself.
I'll start doing my own oil changes when the warranty runs out.
Hey, keep it PG, man. I have no cussing on my channel anymore.
I'm sorry.
So that's about enough. Go ahead and start putting the jack stands. Find your jack points on the side.
Sure.
It's literally just
I'm working on my car
4 bolts just to replace his muffler. Oh, well, thanks. Yo, another surprise. I do have a JDM Smooth bumper here that I'm gonna be prepping. Well, my uncle right over there, he's gonna be prepping for paint. I'm gonna throw this on onto the GC. Just need to remove the spats because I do plan on keeping them black, as my car is black trim everywhere. So I'm gonna be painting the trims gloss black to make it look a lot better and pop out more. So yeah, plans for the GC.
Oh, that was it?
What's going in red, bro?
Rev it.
All right. That's all it is. Well, guys, that was very anticlimactic.
You need to do full exhaust. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. But at least he's getting his new exhaust on. So, Q60 muffler install compared to this and this easiness level is about maybe 1 out of 10.
Dude, you think I could rebuild an engine now?
I think so.
Yeah, right?
I think we're good. And yeah, this is his exhaust right here. That's where it ends. So not only did we install an exhaust today, we're also going to be starting on my seat delete. And as you can see, just getting to this top panel, you're going to need to do a lot of work. You're going to have to remove the side panel here, remove the seat belt and the top trims right up above, just to get to this. Or I mean, if you really want to, you could just bend it over, but I want to keep this in good condition just in case anybody else wants to buy it or anything like that. So I recommend doing both sides, make everything easier when fitting the seat delete. Let's get to it. I've already got everything uninstalled on this side. Looks like you finished the exhaust. Let's go check it out. So Alex finally got the exhaust fixed, all buttoned up and everything. Let's listen to these sounds.
Nope. Sound difference anyway.
How do you feel, man? Got your exhaust, dude.
I could totally rebuild an engine. I could fix any car.
This guy's gonna be my new mechanic.
Be able to fix your car.
Oh, damn.
You want to do an STI swap? Like 20 minutes in and out, dude. I can do it.
20 minutes, we'll go to In and Out. Nice. Once again, another happy customer here at Love, Peace, and Rumble Motorsports.
Alright, boys. Got the exhaust in the car. Got the keys. Let's go get some milk tea.
on this fine, hot day. A nice coffee roasty stout. Let's get it. Let's get it. Here you go, bro.
Yeah, I'm full.
I know, not really. It's been in the fridge for like an hour. Yo, because I got a haircut at 5 o'clock and we're gonna watch Endgame tonight. I couldn't finish anything with my car. I literally just took it apart completely. The back is completely gutted. Can I open my door real quick? If you take a look inside, I pretty much just took apart the interior, and I guess we'll get to the cage and seat delete another time. But we got Alex here in the Q60. We got the GC out today. Very rare. Very, very rare. And we got Mr. Alteza, who we just picked up tires for this morning. We got a fresh set of Firehawk Indy 500s. Pretty much just tracked one time. We got it for a good deal of $275 for a set of 4. Yep. Time to get some LT. Let's get it.